Do you find yourself locked out of accounts because you forgot a password or typed it in wrong too many times? It's frustrating, right? In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to avoid account lockouts by using secure password notes, so you never have to worry about being locked out again. We've all been there, typing in your password only to find out you've been locked out because of too many failed attempts. The problem is, most people rely on memory or sticky notes to keep track of passwords, and that's risky. You need a secure, organized way to store your passwords. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use secure password notes to avoid this hassle, and I'll even give you access to a free trial of the best software to do it. Now, before we get into the steps, let me share a quick tip. Never rely solely on your browser's password manager. While it's convenient, it can leave you exposed if someone gains access to your device. We'll be talking about more secure options in just a second, so keep watching. First up, the main key to avoiding account lockouts is consistency. If you want to stop stressing over your passwords, you need a secure place to keep them. That's where password managers and secure note-taking apps come into play. These tools store your passwords in an encrypted format, so even if someone gains access to your device, they won't be able to read your passwords. Now, if you want to avoid lockouts, a good place to start is by storing your passwords in a secure software note or manager. I've tested several popular options, but the one I'm using for this tutorial is the software we'll be using. It's easy to set up, it keeps everything in one place, and it automatically syncs across all your devices. Plus, it comes with extra security layers like two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend for extra peace of mind. Here's the step-by-step process for setting it up. First, you'll need to sign up for the software. Once you're in, start by creating a secure note for each of your important accounts. You can organize your notes by account type, social media, banking, work accounts, and so on. Make sure to give each note a strong, unique name so you'll know which account is linked to. Next, type in the passwords for each account, but don't stop there. Most password managers allow you to add extra info like account recovery details or even security question answers. This can be a lifesaver if you need to recover your account later. And because the note is encrypted, only you will have access to it. It's also a good idea to regularly update your passwords, and doing this through your secure password notes makes it super easy. Set a reminder every few months to check and update your passwords. Keeping them fresh and unique for each account is one of the best ways to prevent security issues and avoid lockouts. Now, for those of you who want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you. The software we're using today has a free trial exclusively for my viewers. You can sign up and start organizing your passwords and secure notes right now. The link to access that is in the description below. The key takeaway here is simple. Using secure password notes and a password manager is the best way to prevent account lockouts. It helps you stay organized, secure, and never have to worry about being locked out of your accounts again. Remember, consistency is key, so set up your secure notes and update your passwords regularly. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description below if you want to try the software for yourself. To recap, create secure password notes, keep them updated, and use a trusted password manager. By following these steps, you'll keep your accounts safe and secure without the worry of getting locked out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.